What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to vinyl wrap your knob shifter in your Dodge Durango. I'm going to be using a carbon red vinyl right here. And what you also need, you're going to need an X-Acto knife and some wipes, some alcohol wipes just to get the surface clean. So go ahead and open your wipes. And guys, I did this before. I did not need a heat gun because especially the time was so the temperature at the time was so warm. I really didn't need a heat gun, and right now it's like 80 degrees outside, so I doubt that I'm gonna need a heat gun again for this one because it held up pretty well, so I think we should be good. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to go ahead. Alright guys, so I already pre-cut the amount that I'm going to need to go over my my knob right here. So you just want to cut as much as you leave at least an inch right around so you could have enough room to work with. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. So just remove your vinyl. Alright, and all you gotta do, guys, is just put it over it. Make sure you get it all stretched. And then you start to use your fingers to line it out. Just to line out where we're gonna be cutting around, alright? Especially in the crease right here. That's where we're going to be cutting. So go ahead, make sure you get all that ear out of it and get the edges all lined out so you can see where we're going to cut. Alright guys, and now that we have our edges pretty much lined out for us, we're going to follow that line all the way around. that was it, guys. We can pretty much call that a wrap. You just want to just cut right in the groove, right here in the groove, right around. I kind of went over on the chrome just a little bit at one point, but it wasn't any big deal. As you can see, it is properly cut all the way around, and yeah. So guys, if this video was helpful, if you liked it, please go ahead, share, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. All right, peace.